everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something that I am dreading doing because I don't like to reorganize. Something that I do not like to do. So we're doing it again for some reason. Well, no. The reason is that it has to be done. I have to reorganize. It's essential that I do at this point because it's getting a little out of control in here. In one area in particular. Last time I did something like this, a couple of weeks ago, reorganized this side of my closet, but I never really even touched this side. But today I thought it would be an okay idea if I tackled this, because for weeks now I have been getting jeans out of the laundry and just kind of coming over here to put them away and then just kind of going like that. And they don't really, they're so crammed in there now that like I have to do something about it. I really know at the bottom of my heart that I don't need this many pairs of jeans. It's just not sustainable for me or for my wardrobe at this point. So I'm going to try to reorganize this shelf because that's something that needs to happen. I feel like I have enough pairs of jeans here that I could wear a different pair of jeans for 3 weeks and never have to rewear a pair. That's too many jeans. So today, I'm going to tackle this. So if that's something that interests you, keep watching. Okay, so I am sitting in front of a very large pile of jeans right now, and I'm gonna go through one by one what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and I'll try them on just so that everybody that's watching can see what I'm doing and see if they agree with me. I'm worried that people will not agree with me and then be like, Emily, why didn't you keep that pair? Like, that was a really nice pair, and then like it'll be too late. Okay, so I'll just start. This pair is a pair of Levi's that I've had for a while now. I kind of lucked out because I found them on sale, but they're new. These ones fit, I find, like 505s, like the ones I'm wearing right now, that I'm definitely keeping because it's probably my newest pair. But these particular ones I really like. I like because they're pretty versatile. Like I can wear them with like a little white button down or like a little pair of loafers. But I can also wear them like with a tank top and flip-flops. Like they're pretty easy to style. So I'm definitely gonna keep those. I like that pair a lot. Okay, this pair I've never actually tried on. Like the first time I'm trying them on will be for this video. My mom bought me these for Christmas, I think this year. They're By the Way, which is I think like a Revolve brand. Like just judging on the legs, I think that they're probably a skinny jean. I don't love skinny jeans on my body. I find that they make me look bigger than I am. So I don't know, we'll see about these. This pair is, oh, these are a pair of Reduns that I actually found. I found these a while ago on Depop. They're like a really cute boyfriend jean. They hit me just at my waist. I think that they're a little big, so I might have to get them altered a little bit. Again, I already got them altered once. A trick with these jeans is that they actually were Reduns and they came in a size 30. And I bought them because they were super on sale and I guess nobody wanted them. So I bought them and then I went and I took them to a seamstress and I got them kind of fitted to my body. I'm assuming that on a size 30, they would probably fit pretty differently. They'd probably actually be a really nice fit, but I got them tailored to my hips. So they kind of fit like these boyfriend saggy jeans now, and I really like that. Anything Levi's I feel like I'm going to have to keep. Oh god, another pair of Levi's. This is such a versatile jean collection. These are, I featured them in another video already. These are new Levi's. They're 501s and they're very vintage looking. I'm not sure how I lucked out and got these, but I love the fit. I love how they look. I love their distressing. Definitely a keep. Okay, oh, I love these. These are super nice. These are Citizens of Humanity. Citizens of Humanity? Citizen of Humanity? Citizens, plural, of Humanity. They're the Emerson boyfriend jean, and they are, they're so nice. The one thing that I really like about these jeans is that they're stretchy, and that's why I'm going to keep them. I find that they work in the summertime. They're like a light jean. They're not very rigid feeling, so I really like them because of their stretchiness and because of the fact that they're kind of more lightweight than a lot of the jeans that I have. This pair is, I featured them in another video already, too. These are again another pair of Reduns. I love these jeans. They look really, really good with like a little booty in the winter time and like an oversized sweatshirt. I love these jeans. They reworked them to put this kind of little panel in between. They have a little bit of a flare, which I really like. They make my legs look awesome. I love these jeans. Okay, how about these? Oh, these I used to love. These are Mother jeans. These are super flared. I don't know if I love them. These ones that I just showed you, I think are just enough flare for my body, but I don't think that these are necessarily, I think they're too much flare. And then they make my legs look really big and then they kind of just, I don't know. I don't like how they fit. They're a size 23 waist, which is like pushing it for me, honestly. I think these are going to have to be a giveaway. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are my pet peeve about jeans, especially new Levi's. I've talked about this in another video, so I will keep it short. These are Levi's. They're new 501s, I think. No, they're wedgies. Sorry, they're a wedgie fit, but they're new. I love how they make my waist look, but I don't like the wash. I'm very picky about washes, and I feel like this is too acid washy for me, and it doesn't have the same feel as like a pair of Levi's. Like the wash is just, the way they've done it is just completely different and I don't like it. Unfortunately, I think these are going to have to be a donate. These are another pair of Reduns. I won't talk too much about these either. This is probably one of the better pairs of Reduns I've gotten because they're super worn in. They still kind of smell like the thrift store, which means they're like the real deal. They smell like that. I miss the thrift store so much. I wish that I could go, but I can't. These are just, they're just a skinny jean. They're the only kind of skinny jean actually that I like. In the wintertime, I was wearing them with like a little pair of booties and I was tucking the ankles into the booty. I saw Hailey Bieber do that and I just thought it was so cool. So, and obviously they're Reduns. Like, I think I'd be a crazy person to throw out Reduns, honestly. Okay, these are Mother also. They're the Mother Tomcat ankle, and I love these jeans for the summertime. They have a really, really nice high waist. They're cropped a little bit. They have these super nice like distressed ankles. That's something that I really like about Mother. I also like that they have like the little distressing on the pockets too. Anyway, good pair of jeans. Not gonna throw them away. I'm finding so far though that I don't have a lot of jeans without holes, and that is super problematic because I'm going into teaching and you can't wear ripped jeans to work. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have any pairs of jeans to wear ever to work. Ooh, I love these. These are a pair of shorts and I only have two pairs of really, really great denim shorts for the summertime. These are Levi's 501s. So I got these at Urban Outfitters a long time ago. Urban Outfitters does this really cool thing. They rework vintage and then they sell it for much less than redone, but really, really cute pair of jeans. They look really good on me. I really like them. My other pair of summer Levi's. These are redone Levi's, but they're just super great because they are, again, vintage, but they have this really, really nice kind of modern feel. I love them. I can't give them away because they're redone. Okay, these, oh my God. I love these jeans. And I'm really, really sad about it because they're Hudson jeans. When Nordstrom Rack came to Toronto, I was so excited because I could finally buy jeans, like designer jeans. I always buy my designer secondhand. And this was the first time in my life that I could actually buy a pair of jeans firsthand without having to spend a lot of money on them. They were $80, which is pretty pricey for jeans, but I have worn these things to death. I'm pretty short, I'm 5'3", so this length, I don't know how this works on my body because I'm so short, but the length is perfect. They have this beautiful little like, it's got like a split hem. I love it, and they fit my body so well. They're so nice. I've worn them so much that there's like a hole in the back now, and I feel like it's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and I'm just not gonna be able to wear them anymore, and I'm so upset about it. Okay, these, I'm so upset about these because they're too big on me and they're too long. Again, I found them probably on The RealReal. They are really, really cute. They're a cute style. They're very similar to the ones I just put on, except they're huge. So I need to get them taken in. I hope that I can. But again, really nice pair of jeans. They're also girlfriend, so I can't get rid of them. Oh, these ones I haven't worn in forever, but they're so cute and I feel like I should bring them back. These are Guess jeans. I bought in New York once. And I was super hesitant to buy them. And then my best friend was like, you need to buy them. Like, it's very necessary that you buy these jeans. They're so cute. They look so good on you. So I splurged. They're Guess jeans and they're like super flared, but I just think that they're like super adorable. I love this pair of jeans, but I'm just really questioning giving them away because the pockets are kind of, I don't know. Reformation is actually bringing this pocket back, so I might keep them for now, but I feel like in a couple of years they might be dated. I just know that like I'm gonna kick myself if I don't keep them because they're just like one of those really nice like memory jeans, memory pairs. Oh, this is another pair of Mother jeans that I wear a lot. It's like a cropped ankle kind of flared jean. I don't know what they're called. They're called the Insider Crop, and I have two pairs of these. I have this wash and then I have this wash, and I wear them to work a lot. So I really should keep them because they're very practical. Also, they're Mother, but Mother, I will tell you, it's a very expensive denim brand, but if you buy it secondhand, like if you buy it on Nordstrom Rack or The Real, you can find pairs of Mother for like $40 Canadian. That's how much I got these for. They're really, really great because they're designer, which means they have the quality of designer, except they weren't expensive, which is great. These, I don't know if I can consider them jeans. My mom got me these a couple of years ago. They are denim, like they're denim material. They're just a different color. They work really well with a lot of things. They did come rolled and I unrolled them. I love these. Very practical, good for work. I'm keeping them. This has not been as productive as I thought it was going to be because I'm keeping like all of them except for 3 pairs so far, which is not great. Okay, this next pair, this was like a Reformation came to Toronto probably a year ago now, and when they came they had this sale. I think it was just because Reformation was having a sale anyway. And these jeans, I kid you not, were like $50 Canadian. I don't know why they were going for not very much money for Reformation jeans. I am a huge fan of Reformation, if you didn't know already. But these jeans are one of my favorite pairs. I don't wear them a lot, but I do love them because of this print. And I also like buying jeans from Reformation because the company itself is very sustainable, and when you buy jeans, that's something that I really think about because jeans are apparently have a very big impact on the environment. Making jeans sustainably is something that is great. So this is a pair of jeans that I will keep just because I think that they're really cute. Even though I wear them only a couple times a year, I feel like they're still a really great pair. These are the Fawcett jean from Reformation, and that's actually the only style I have from Reformation is the Fawcett jean, but I have 3 different pairs of the Fawcett jean in different colors. I have them in like a black, and then I also have them in like a light blue or like a medium blue. And I wear these too a lot of the time. I said that I didn't have a lot without distressing. I guess I split this into distressed and not distressed because these are both not distressed, and I find myself wearing these to work a lot too. So those are definitely all keep. That was not as productive as I thought it was going to be. I have 3 pairs here that I don't love anymore that I'm going to donate or maybe sell, I'm not sure. But I really think that these jeans can find a better home. They don't need me anymore. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was good for me to do, healthy for me to do, because I find myself doing this a lot just because I think that it's great to have recycle in your wardrobe. So I appreciate you for coming along with me for the ride. I'll see you next time.